Imagining the unknown science fiction's influence on our perception of alien life. Written by Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. Science fiction, with its boundless imagination, has long captivated our minds with tales of alien life. These stories have been a staple of our culture, influencing not just entertainment, but also our scientific curiosity. From the menacing creatures of the Andromeda strain to the enigmatic heptapods in Arrival, sci-fi has shaped our expectations of what extraterrestrial life might look like and how it might interact with humanity. These portrayals often reflect our deepest anxieties and aspirations. These stories, while speculative, often reflect our hopes and fears about the unknown. They serve as a mirror to our own societal issues, projecting them onto the canvas of the cosmos. They tap into our primal curiosity about our place in the universe and the possibility of other intelligent beings existing beyond our planet. This curiosity drives both our fiction and our scientific endeavors. However, it's crucial to distinguish between the fantastical elements of science fiction and the realities of scientific exploration. While sci-fi can inspire, it can also mislead if taken too literally. Science fiction serves as a powerful tool for exploring potential scenarios and sparking our imaginations. It allows us to envision futures that are not yet possible, pushing the boundaries of what we consider achievable. It can inspire us to ask fundamental questions about the nature of life, intelligence, and our place in the vast cosmos. These questions are the bedrock of scientific inquiry and exploration. But it's essential to remember that science fiction is, ultimately, fiction. Its primary goal is to entertain and provoke thought, not to serve as a scientific textbook. While some sci-fi works strive for scientific accuracy, incorporating real scientific principles and theories, others prioritize entertainment value, often sacrificing realism for dramatic effect. This can lead to misconceptions about what is scientifically plausible. As we delve deeper into the search for extraterrestrial life, it's important to maintain a healthy skepticism and rely on scientific evidence to guide our understanding. This approach ensures that our quest is grounded in reality. The universe is a place of infinite possibilities, and our current understanding of life is limited to what we observe on Earth. This limitation challenges us to think beyond our terrestrial experiences. It's entirely plausible that life elsewhere, if it exists, could take forms beyond our wildest imaginations. The diversity of life on Earth itself hints at the myriad possibilities that could exist in the cosmos. While science fiction can be a source of inspiration and wonder, it's crucial to ground our expectations in scientific principles and remain open to the unexpected. This balance between imagination and evidence is key to meaningful exploration. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, and the reality of what we might find could far surpass even the most imaginative works of science fiction. As we continue to explore, we must be prepared for surprises that challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. When science fiction gets it right, intelligent design and biological diversity. Science fiction, despite its penchant for the fantastical, occasionally stumbles upon surprising scientific accuracy. It often serves as a creative playground where scientific principles are explored and expanded upon, sometimes predicting real scientific discoveries. One such area is the concept of intelligent design in alien life, not in the supernatural sense, but in the evolutionary one. This idea suggests that life, wherever it may arise, will be shaped by the forces of natural selection and adaptation, leading to a wide variety of forms and functions. The immense diversity of life on Earth, shaped by natural selection over billions of years, hints at the potential for equally diverse and ingenious life forms on other planets. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life on Earth has adapted to thrive in every conceivable environment. Star Trek, with its diverse array of alien species, often showcases this principle. The series imagines a universe teeming with life, each species uniquely adapted to its homeworld's conditions. The Klingons, for example, are depicted as a warrior race with robust physiology adapted for their harsh homeworld. Their culture and biology are intertwined, reflecting a history of survival and conflict. Their ridged foreheads and multiple redundant organs reflect a history shaped by environmental pressures, a concept grounded in evolutionary biology. These features are not just for show, they represent plausible adaptations to a challenging environment. Similarly, the amphibious Gungans from Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace, while fictional, demonstrate the potential for life to adapt to vastly different environments, in this case, a watery planet. Their physiology, including their ability to breathe underwater, showcases how life might evolve in aquatic settings. However, it's crucial to distinguish between scientifically grounded speculation and pure fantasy. While creative freedom is essential in storytelling, grounding alien designs in scientific principles can make them more believable and thought-provoking. While considering the potential for diverse alien life forms is fascinating, it's equally important to avoid anthropomorphizing extraterrestrial life. True alien life might be vastly different from anything we can imagine, shaped by evolutionary pressures we have yet to understand. The tendency to project human characteristics and motivations onto alien species is a common trope in science fiction, but it can hinder our understanding of truly alien intelligence. By assuming that alien life will think and act like us, we limit our ability to comprehend the full spectrum of possible life forms. The search for extraterrestrial life requires an open mind and a willingness to abandon preconceived notions. Scientists must be prepared to encounter life forms that challenge our current understanding of biology and intelligence. Life, as we know it, is incredibly adaptable and diverse, and the universe offers an almost infinite array of environments where life could potentially thrive. Extremophiles on Earth, organisms that live in extreme conditions, provide a glimpse into the possible resilience and versatility of alien life. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, we must remain open to the possibility of encountering life forms that defy our current understanding and challenge our definition of intelligence itself. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would not only expand our knowledge of biology, but also force us to rethink our place in the universe. The human lens. Common tropes and misconceptions in science fiction's depiction of aliens. Science fiction, while a source of boundless imagination, often falls prey to human biases in its depiction of alien life. These biases shape the way we envision extraterrestrial beings, often limiting the scope of what alien life could truly be. One of the most prevalent tropes is the humanoid alien, exemplified by the Vulcans in Star Trek or the Jedi and Sith in Star Wars. These characters, while fascinating and complex, still adhere to a fundamentally human-like form. While these species may possess unique abilities or technological advancements, their fundamentally human-like appearance reflects our inherent tendency to anthropomorphize. This anthropomorphism is not just about physical appearance, but also extends to their behaviors, emotions, and societal structures. This tendency stems from our limited frame of reference. Our imagination is often constrained by what we know and experience as humans. We are, after all, human, and our understanding of intelligence and consciousness is rooted in our own experiences. This makes it challenging to conceive of life forms that are entirely different from us. However, assuming that alien life would necessarily resemble us, both physically and cognitively, is a limiting and potentially inaccurate assumption. The diversity of life on Earth alone suggests that extraterrestrial life could be far more varied and strange than we can currently imagine. Another common misconception perpetuated by science fiction is the ease of communication with alien species. This trope simplifies the complex reality of interspecies communication. In many sci-fi narratives, humans and aliens converse fluently, often overcoming language barriers with remarkable ease. This seamless communication is often facilitated by advanced technology or universal translators. This trope, while convenient for storytelling, overlooks the complexities of language development and the likelihood that alien communication, if it exists, would be vastly different from our own. The nuances of language, culture, and context are often glossed over. The reality is that communication with an alien species, should we ever encounter one, would likely be an incredibly challenging and time-consuming endeavor. It would involve not just translating words, but understanding entirely different modes of thought and expression. It would require deciphering entirely different modes of communication, potentially involving sensory experiences beyond our comprehension. Aliens might use visual signals, chemical exchanges, or even telepathic methods that are completely foreign to us. The assumption of easy communication often serves as a narrative shortcut in science fiction, but it's crucial to remember that the reality of interstellar communication would likely be far more complex and nuanced. The process would involve extensive research, patience, and possibly even the development of new technologies. While science fiction can ignite our imaginations, it's important to approach the search for alien life with a healthy dose of skepticism and an awareness of our own biases. Recognizing these biases can help us remain open to the vast possibilities that the universe holds. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth are truly limitless. By expanding our minds and challenging our preconceptions, we can better prepare ourselves for the potential discovery of alien life in all its wondrous forms.